Mastering Power Laws 21-25 Unveiled. The pursuit of power. It's a dance as old as time itself, a symphony of ambition, strategy, and often deception. But true mastery doesn't come from brute force. No, it's a subtler creature altogether. In the world of power, mastery comes not from force, but from control, illusion, and perfect timing. It's about knowing when to strike and when to hold back, when to reveal your hand and when to remain shrouded in shadow. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into the minds of history's most cunning tacticians, revealing 5 laws of power that can transform you from pawn to player. Are you ready to claim your place at the table of power? Law 21. Play a sucker to catch a sucker. Silence can be a weapon, yes. But a clever mind knows how to wield a different kind of silence. The silence of a wolf in sheep's clothing. This law is about playing the fool, appearing less intelligent, less capable than you truly are. Why? Because arrogance is a weakness. It makes your opponents overconfident, careless. Let them underestimate you. Let them reveal their strategies, their weaknesses, in their haste to outmaneuver someone they perceive as inferior. Remember, the greatest deception is the one your opponent never sees coming. Law 22. Use the surrender tactic. In the face of overwhelming force, retreat is often seen as defeat. But what if surrender is not an end, but a beginning? A chance to regroup, to re-strategize, to strike back with even greater force. This law teaches us the power of calculated retreat, of choosing our battles, of transforming apparent weakness into an unexpected advantage. A strategic surrender can lull your opponent into a false sense of security. They become complacent, overconfident. And that, my friends, is when you strike. Remember, the river bends, but it never breaks. Sometimes yielding is the path to ultimate victory. Imagine a single ray of sunlight, weak, diffuse, easily scattered. Now focus that same ray through a magnifying glass. What happens? It intensifies, becomes a force capable of burning, of creating. This is the power of concentration, of gathering your resources, your energy, your focus, and directing it towards a single unwavering goal. Avoid distractions. Avoid dissipating your strength on multiple fronts. Identify your target and pour all your energy into achieving it. Remember, a scattered army is easily defeated. A concentrated force is nearly unstoppable. The halls of power are treacherous indeed, filled with rivals, with whispers, with those who would see you fall. To navigate this treacherous landscape, one must master the art of the courtier. This law is about becoming a chameleon, adapting to your surroundings, mirroring the moods and desires of those in power. It's about flattery, yes, but also about genuine observation and understanding. Learn to anticipate the needs of the powerful. Offer your services with grace and humility. Become indispensable, not through force, but through subtle influence. Remember, the true master of the game is often the one who stands in the shadows, whispering wisdom into the ears of kings. The world is constantly changing, evolving, and so too must those who seek to shape it. You are not defined by your past, by the circumstances of your birth. You are a work in progress, a canvas upon which you can paint and repaint your own destiny. This final law is a call to action, to shed old skins, to embrace reinvention, to become the architect of your own persona, crafting an image that inspires, that commands respect, that draws others to your flame. Don't be afraid to experiment, to evolve, to discard what no longer serves you and embrace the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, you are the author of your own story. Write it boldly. Write it with purpose. Write it with the knowledge that you and you alone hold the pen. 5 more laws revealed. 5 keys to unlocking the secrets of influence, of persuasion, of achieving your goals in a world that often seems determined to stand in your way. Which one will you use first? This is just the beginning of your journey into the heart of power, mastering power. Laws 21 to 25 is your guide, your companion, your weapon in the never-ending game of strategy and control. The path to mastery is long and fraught with challenges. But for those brave enough to walk it, the rewards are immeasurable. Watch the full series, subscribe for more.